Oh, I would just feel that the way climate is changing, I'm not sure if the human race will survive beyond 25-30 years. And I feel all of us have to do our best to be with, people with people. And because once climate change starts affecting, the water they are saying is going to come down to 20% in 10 years' time. Then people will fight each other, stop each other's water. So I feel we need to learn to once again live with each other, because I also feel that traditional societies have started thinking that Delhi is better than them and Delhi feels that America is better than them. I think we need to remember that we are better than them and we will survive longer than any one of them will survive. So just go back to our roots, live together, just like tribals have always lived, and also live more closely with nature instead of looking around for cars and scooters. I'm not sure 10 years later whether we'll have electricity also. So their handlooms, support it so that they still survive. Simple things. And as we call ourselves the ant, we are not, ants don't fare, so they don't badha to na thake, they will go around. So I think we all need to not get blocked by problems, but see them as challenges and cross them. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.